Who do you give gifts to? Family, friends, relatives, even neighbors. But have you ever considered your coworkers in this list? Why not? We're not talking about those luxurious, pricey gifts. Even a small gesture is more than enough. Today, we're going to be different. We will go through 34 gift ideas for your coworkers under $50. You will find all of them useful, so do not skip a single second. 34. Build Life 1-gallon water bottle. Caroline Goldfarb's favorite water bottle holds 1 full gallon of water and attributes uplifting slogans to aid them complete every last drop. So if your coworker is not drinking much water and you are concerned about their health, buy this one for just $25. Number 33. S. Aurora Ice Roller for Face and Eyes. Late nights and early mornings are difficult on the eyes. PR Sonia Lee Casino, who discovered this roller, said on Instagram, "I got one for myself and 3 other people I know. It's very addictive and leaves me feeling very refreshed," she says. The price is $19. Number 32. Klaus Porto Favorito Bar Soap. Some people enjoy collecting unique items from specific locations. If they like Portuguese household goods, they'll love this poppy-scented soap by Klaus Porto. The aroma will soothe them. It is $20. Number 31. Anchor Portable Charger Power Cord Slim. This portable charger is an ideal present because no one wants to buy a portable phone charger, but the majority of people would use it on a daily basis. It's a steal at $30. Number 30. Gaia's Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Many people already adore this handy Bluetooth keyboard that is roughly 2/3 the size of a typical computer keyboard. It has a kickstand that enables you to help support your smartphone horizontally so you can view the small screen, reminiscent of an old-school spy device. Available for $34. Number 29. Uniwit Mini Portable Microphone. Every workplace would have that one singer. TikTok has certified this mini microphone. It is extremely simple to use and the stand lets you maintain your hands free. It is just $10. Number 28. Omaton Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. This handy phone easel will free up your parallel processing colleagues' hands, allowing them to spin even more plates. $11 is the price. 27. Yamazaki Home Tower Desk Bar Organizer. Some are obsessed with their desk. A simple desk which looks edgy and classy. It can hold glasses, writing utensils, and a phone. Buy it for $36. 26. Bagu Duck Bag. The Bagu Cotton Canvas Duck Bag. One of the best work bags that we use ourselves. This one is more durable than your normal tote and brings with a few enhanced features beneficial for transferring work essentials to the office. An inner pocket, quick closure, customizable shoulder strap, and handles. It's deep enough to hold a laptop and documents, and it comes in a variety of colors ranging from op art checkers to classic black. Gift this $38 worth bag to a lady or man. Number 25. Coworker Classic Sport Fountain Pen. In our 100-pen hierarchy, this compact fountain pen finished second in its category, just ahead of a $135 option. Andre Osman, creator of Call Me By Your Name, recommends it as the Volkswagen of pens with a Jaguar engine. $19 for one. 24. Organ Nice Hourglass Sand Timer. For a coworker who keeps time, then gift them with the sand hourglass. One is for 5 minutes and the other 30 minutes. Number 23. Lasco Ceramic Portable Space Heater. This heater is for the one who is sitting just below the AC and not comfortable with it. This heater has got 11 temperatures and different fan speeds, so that you can control the noise too. Number 22. Version Tech Mini Handheld Fan. This one is such a useful gift like others. No more sticking your head into the freezer. Just $19 for this incredible product. Number 21. Parachute Classic Turkish Cotton Slippers. Understand the needs of your coworker, and if it includes indoor slippers, then this is the best option. The price is $39. Number 20. Ergofoam Ergonomic Footrest. This footrest for $32 is another considerate gift if your coworker is someone who does a lot of sitting. This ergonomic footrest makes sure the person's having less stress on the back. Number 19. Outward Hound Hide a Squirrel and Puzzle Plush. If your coworker is a pet lover and has a dog at home, this is it. This cute interactive toy will make your coworker and the pet happy. Just $22 for this cutie. Number 18. Women Holding Things. Is your dear coworker a bookworm? Even if not, gifting a book is always in trend. A coffee time book would be a great gesture. This book is a collection of portraits with the idea of love song to women and, at times, everyone. Number 17. Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. This breakfast sandwich maker is a sloppy cook's fantasy, whipping up a delicious breakfast sandwich in 5 minutes with minimal effort on their part. All they have to do is fill up the device with their favorite bread, cheese, cuts of meat or vegetables, and eggs, and the gadget will do the remaining. It is for $47 now. Number 16. Coworker Insulated Coffee Mug. Whether they have a large or small cup collection, this insulated cup from Coworker will be a good addition. It's made of tough, shatterproof materials. Best of all, it helps to keep drinks hot up to 3 hours, so they don't have to worry about their coffee getting cold in the morning. Just $32, guys, for this incredible mug. Number 15. Pop Sockets Donut Pop Grid. Pop sockets are not only a great way to better grip a phone or use an improvisation hold, but they're also interesting ways for individuals to express themselves. $17 is a deal. Number 14. Kodak Printomatic Digital Instant Print Camera. This is the best way to make use of that $50. Instant pictures with 2x3 inch size and bright colors. Moreover, these are tear and waterproof. Your coworker will jump with joy. Gift this if this is your favorite coworker cum friend. Number 13. Anker Soundcord 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. For $40, a waterproof, durable, and portable Bluetooth speaker is just wow. Moreover, it has very good sound quality and 24 hours playtime. Number 12. Powerlix Milk Frother. For $14, this is another considerable gift. They can make an ordinary cup of coffee into restaurant-style ones. With it, they can make lattes, cappuccinos, and frothy coffees anytime they want. Number 11. Y&M Weighted Blanket. A cozy sleep is everyone's dream. Make their dream come true with your $40 then. 40 colors and 15 various sizes are available. The 7-layered blanket has got beads within, which makes this sleep even more comfortable. Number 10. Repel Windproof Travel Umbrella. Umbrella? We know an umbrella is not an interesting gift, but it is really useful, especially if the umbrella is long-lasting and highly wind-resistant. It is available for $30. Number 9. XP LED Ring Light. If your coworker likes to make reels, then why not give that artist a perfect ring light? The Tree Pod Stand device has options for white, warm yellow, and warm white. $19 is a good buy. Number 8. Zopin Travel Passport Wallet. Do you know something? Even we are impressed by our finds, and the next 8 are even more exciting ones. This is a wallet which everybody wants. Because of its slim design, the wallet can hold passports, boarding passes, credit cards, and every other card. This traveler-friendly wallet is just $15. Number 7. LifeWit Collapsible Cooler Bag. Another essentiality for a travel enthusiast. Just $27 for this easy-go bag. It is a 24-liter capacity bag suitable for beach days, camping, and summer picnics. The padded handle and removable shoulder strap makes it even more helpful to carry. Number 6. Chocolate, Caramel, and Crunch Grand Gift Basket. How can we avoid those foodie peers in the office? This basket will make them smile. Sure, the basket holds seasonal favorites like caramel corn, chocolate pretzels, and peanut brittle. Treat them for $43. Number 5. Homedics Triple Action Shiatsu Food Massager. Another perfect find for $50. Their feet will thank you for the heavenly experience that this massager will give them. Number 4. Kloska Foldable Bike Helmet. You know, it is not at all a good option to carry on those bike helmets everywhere. Then why not a foldable one? If this person comes to the workplace on a bike, give them this. The helmet is compact and lightweight too. It is for $40. Number 3. Wyze Alexa-enabled Smart Home Camera. The Wyze V3 camera is a widely known and reasonably priced smart home option that competes with more expensive versions. It supports Alexa and Google Assistant and allows them to view the footage from any location on their mobile phone. You can buy one for $38. Number 2. Yara Decor Touch Control Table Lamp with USB ports. This is an aesthetic lamp for just $24. This lamp has 3 levels of brightness, which is touch controlled. For charging, 2 USB ports are available. Number 1. Fire 7 Tablet. If you're not searching for anything massively high or luxurious, Amazon's Fire tablets are a relatively good buy. They're a good fit for the average user. It's voice activated, so they can get instant access to audio and visual content, as well as messages and calling. And it has a battery life of up to 7 hours. This is the last one for $50 precisely. So hurry up and buy something for your partner in crime, or else save for this later. Like this video and share it with your buddies. Comment down your reviews and how your dear coworker reacted to receiving a gift from you. See you next time.